On Wednesday evening, tragedy struck the Northeast Express en route from Anand Vihar terminal in Delhi to Kamakhya Junction in Assam's Guwahati as it derailed near Raghunathpur railway station in Bihar's Buxar district. This unfortunate incident resulted in the loss of 5 lives and left 70 individuals injured. Meghalaya's Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma expressed profound concern over the event. He conveyed his discussion with Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav regarding the regrettable derailment of the Northeast Express train at Buxar. Sangma sadly reported the loss of lives of 5 passengers and informed that 37 others with severe injuries were presently receiving medical attention at AIIMS Patna. He assured that an alternative train had been arranged early that morning for passenger transport to Assam. Sangma emphasized the active efforts to confirm if any individuals from Meghalaya were among the critically injured 37. He stressed the continuous communication between state officials to provide updates on the situation and their close coordination with railway authorities in monitoring the scenario. For Meghalaya residents in need of assistance during this trying period, state authorities have set up a helpline number at 1800 3453 644.